Now that you understand what variables are, let's begin exploring types of variables. In Python, types refer to different kinds of data that can be placed inside a variable. For instance, in this video we will focus on two types, ints and floats, which are numeric types. Starting with ints, short for integers, these are whole numbers without any decimal places. For example, consider the variable date set equal to the integer 15. So in code, we see that we would write date is equal to int, and in parentheses we write 15. Integers can be positive or negative. For instance, if a city is 50 meters below sea level, we can write the location variable as -50. Means the location variable can be set to -50. As we can see it right now, location is equal to -50. Regardless of the sign, as long as a number lacks decimal, it's considered an integer. Moving on the floats, these are numbers with decimal places. For precision, like tracking height, we use floats. For example, height is equal to 5.7. Floats can be positive or negative, just like integers, and can have multiple digits after the decimal point. Now with these types, let's explore what we can do with them in Python. Python allows us to perform various mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using variables. Let's demonstrate some basic math without variables. In Python, we can write it in the form print parenthesis open 1 plus 4 parenthesis close. So here I have given the comment as hashtag outputs 5. For more complex calculations involving variables, we can do, for example, we can write day is equal to 26, print day plus 2, the output should be 28. Now let's run this program and see what it gives to us. This calculates the date 2 days from today. Additionally, we can perform multiplication, division, and subtraction. So in Python, as a code, I would write print parenthesis open height asterisk 2 parenthesis close. Now hashtag outputs, which is 11.4. The next line can be print height divided by 2. The output would be 2.85. Let's run the program and see. Voila, we got it. These operations showcase Python's versatility in handling numeric types. To reinforce your understanding, let's do a challenge. Find something around you to represent a float and an int. Store them in variables. Right in front of me, I can see a clock in my room. So let's use that time as a variable. For example, I might set the time variable to 12 o'clock as an integer. Additionally, I could store the value of pi, which is 3.14159, as a float.